A dog you want me beard? No, sir, me not go play with a dog batty. Wait. Okay, Miss Jones, so was there anything specific you was looking for? Or are you flexible? Flexible. After me come down here for the gymnastics. I mean, are you open? Actually, picked me up and I thought one man about if me open, face day and bright. No, I didn't mean to offend you in any way. I mean, are you available to any job? Oh, alright then. Sorry, darling. Yes, me available to do anything. Okay. It's fine, don't worry. So let's start looking, shall we? How does working at a laundrette sound? That sound more lame. In the sweaty clothes business, you know, cause I don't know why people have to have clothes just a build up in a one bag and then come wash them. No man, that's not for me. Give me a next one. Okay. Let's just look. Okay, this doesn't seem too bad. Delivery driver? A turn over, you want me turn over? Me look like me can ride back to you. 1 ton me take and boof me up on the floor. You want people to laugh off of me, don't? Am I need them, you want me for my shop? No sir, give me a next one. Alright, oh, just down the street, the vet has a vacancy. How about that? A dog you want me beard? No sir, me not go play with a dog batty. Wait, me couldn't get one police or FBI job. You know, can me know them get weapon, you know, and me good with my weapon them. Me will just get it gun and pow pow like Buju Banton say. And like boom bye bye. Our Bob Marley say, you know what Bob Marley say? I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot the protty. Yeah, mommy, when I deal with my weapon them good. Bye. Me would have come in like Charlie's Angels. You ever watched that the show there yet? How about we keep looking?